Look at that. Mind blown. Can you believe this video was made entirely by AI? Ever wanted to create stunning videos in just minutes without editing skills, expensive software, or hours of frustration? Well, meet FlexClip, your new AI-powered video creation sidekick. FlexClip is an AI-powered online video editor that makes it insanely easy to create stunning videos, whether you're making YouTube content, marketing promos, or personal projects. It's packed with smart AI tools like text-to-video, auto subtitles, AI voiceovers, and background removal. Everything you need to turn your ideas into professional quality videos in minutes. Hey, beautiful soul. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Mivumbi, and I'm so happy to have you here today. Today's video is going to be a life-changing one because we're diving into a powerful AI tool that's going to completely transform the way you create videos. This tool has so many amazing features, and I'll be doing a whole series of videos to explore everything it can do, from AI text-to-video, to automatic captions, to voiceovers, and more. So if that sounds like something you'd love, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and stay until the end, because I've got some really cool things to show you. Now, alright, now that you know what we're diving into, let's jump right into FlexClip and see how this amazing tool actually works. I'm going to show you step by step how you can start creating your own AI videos, even if you've never edited before. So grab your drink, get comfy, and let's head over to my screen.
Okay, so now you already logged in. You are already signed up with them. The link is in the description below. Click that link. You go to create an account with them, and this is going to be your dashboard. This is FlexClip. This tools, this AI tool, there's a lot of things we're going to cover. This video I can't cover everything because the goal is, let me show you here. Come here, AI tools here. You see this? We've got here AI video generator. We go AI image to image, AI text to image, headshot generator, AI photo edit, AI photo edit. Look at this. It's amazing. We go subtitle, we go text to speech, we go background remove. You see this? I'm going to show you all these things. We go, like, you can use your old photo to restore to new one. Can you see the before and after? We go, you can even create music. You can create music with this AI. You can clone your voice. Look at this, all this stuff. You can change your image. Look at this. You can change it to cartoon. There is a lot of things I'm going to show you, but today's video, if I want to look at this AI image to 3D animation, you can create a script. You can remove your background. Come here, audio. You can like I say, you can generate music. You can text to speech. You can translate your audio into this different language. You see here, this is Japan, German, Spanish, French. I can see here. Okay, so there's a lot of things. You can reduce audio noise. You can reduce your noise on your audio. You can remove vocal remove. You can sound effect as well. You can clone your. I'm telling you, this tools is mind blowing. You got everything you need as a creator. So I'm going to show you today video. I'm going to show you only one things, which you're going to start with AI video generator. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, because I'm going to create a series of video. I'm going to teach you each and every feature they have here in my channel. So please click subscribe button, and when I do another video, you're going to get notification, because this tools is mind-blowing. Everything's just very good here. Now let's come to our video. Today I'm going to show you how to create your video, AI video generator. So come here, click this one here. Okay, now we come to this page. Let me come here. So this, look how quality is. The quality is very good, right? So here, even here, you can use, see this one here, you can use the prompt. You can click this one and you can use the prompt for this image you've seen here right now. Okay, so in this side we have image to video, text to video, and video effect. We are going to focus today in text to video. Okay, so here, text to video. Now you need to have a prompt, you need to have idea of what you want to create. Okay, so I like to go to ChatGPT. See, like here I ask him for a prompt. I want to create this video for this tutorial. So I already come to ChatGPT here. You already give me a prompt, so I'm going to copy this prompt here. I already put here. Let me see here. I go here, the prompt. This is this one here. Let me copy all this prompt. This is going to be our face. Right, we come here. Right, this is the page we're coming now. So once you already got a prompt, come here, you paste here. Okay, this is my prompt. I want this video. I ask this AI to create a 3D picture style animation short film for a child titled Emma and the talking jug. So he's going to create a video for me, and once you finish here, come here, ratio, you can choose any. You can choose this is perfect for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube short. So you can create all of this. You see this, you go all these size you can choose from. So in this, for purpose of this video, I'm going to show you, we're going to choose 16:9, which we want a long form video for YouTube, for our YouTube channel. And then when you come here is the duration. You can choose 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Okay, so here, let me come here. You can choose 10 seconds because I want to see the video proper. Now if you want here to hear the talking, so you can activate this one, turn it on. And once you finish this, I want you to come here, click generate. Okay, once you click generate, this AI is going to start to create your video. Now this, look how nice the quality is here, right? The video look very nice. So this is our first video here. Now when you finish here, you can come here, you can download this video here. Click here, download. You can download, or you can come here, edit. Let me show you. You can edit this video. So this tools is all in one place. Because like this, if you sometimes when you download, you can go to CapCut and edit your video and do all the things. But here you can do everything in one place, right? So once you click this your video, you can come here. Let me show you here. Let's start with this one, effect. So you can change any effect you want to put in this video. Let me show you. For example, like if you want to do this one, let's see this one here, right? You see how you change? Look at our video now, how it look like now. I add the effect, it look very nice. Okay, so you can change effect. There's a lot of them here you can choose from. They go different style. It's all up to you. And then here, elements, you can click here, elements. You can add any elements. Let me show you. For example, like this one here, we want to do you can do this one in social media, so you can add any. Let me show you. For example, like if I take this one, I can add this one here in my video. Okay, video sign. I can add, if I want to put people, I can subscribe. I can come back here and show, and here subscribe. So here you go all of the button, subscribe button for you. Okay, let me show. Like for example, like this one is very funny. This, okay, let me play the video. You see this one here, there. Okay, you can put here subscribe if you want to, and you can come back here. So there's a lot of things you can choose from here. Element, you can add audio as well. If you want to add music, you can add music to your video. You just click here and the music is going to be down here in your video. You can add subtitle as well. You can do here, you can come this one, you can choose which style do you want for subtitle. They're going to put that for you, and click here, generate. The subtitles are going to come to you to the video. You can even do text if you want to text. If you want to write something in the video, you just click one of these. They go a lot of style to choose from here. You see this? There's a lot of them here you can choose from. Okay, so once you are happy with your video and everything, you can click down here, export, and you export your video, and this video is going to be ready for you to be used for your YouTube channel. Right, let's do another video. Let me show you another video here. Let me take another prompt. Let's create another video. Let's create another video here. Okay, so this is another one. I give a prompt. Realistic cinematic 3D trailer scene set in African savannah during golden sunset. A powerful male lion is chasing the safari car. So look, let me show you the video how it look like.
Yo, that was absolutely insane. The realism in that scene blew me away. The lighting on that golden sunset, the dust kicking up from the tires, the way the lion's mane was rippling in the wind, it looked straight out of a real National Geographic documentary mixed with a Hollywood movie trailer. The way the camera shook as the Jeep sped through the savannah, it actually gave me that real chase feeling. And did you see the reflection of the sun in the lion's eyes? That's serious attention to detail. FlexClip AI handled the motion, the slow motion shots, and the texture of the fur and dust like a professional film engine. It's wild how you can get that kind of cinematic energy from just one prompt. This honestly looks like the climax of a big-budget animal thriller, and it's completely AI generated. Let me know in the comments, should I make this into a full mini-movie next? Because FlexClip AI is ready for that challenge. Alright creators, this next one is something totally different. I wanted to test if FlexClip could handle beauty and emotion, not just action. So I gave it a skincare commercial prompt. You know, that soft, elegant, premium look you see in real product ads. Wow, look at that lighting! The skin glow, the slow motion water droplets. It looks like something straight out of a luxury brand campaign. The colors are soft and elegant, and the product reveal at the end feels professional, like a real TV ad. And remember, this wasn't filmed in a studio, it's completely AI generated. FlexClip handled the lighting, reflections, camera movement, everything perfectly. This just shows how far we can push AI for creative and commercial work. What do you think? Should I try a perfume ad next? Or maybe a travel commercial? Drop your ideas below. Wow, what an amazing experience. I had so much fun exploring this tool and creating with it. And this is just the beginning. I'll be doing a whole series of videos diving deeper into all the features FlexClip AI has to offer. So make sure you're subscribed and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. A huge thank you to FlexClip AI for giving me early access to this incredible tool. I've honestly had such a great time testing it out and bringing my ideas to life. If you want to stay connected and be part of our creative community, join my WhatsApp group. The link is in the description below. And remember to check out my Gumroad shop for all my courses, tools, and digital resources. Everything you need to level up your creativity. If you'd love to work with me one-on-one, that link is also right down there in the description. Thank you so much for watching, beautiful soul. I appreciate you being here, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.